Pati sa akin.
Job, muna ko na lang. May level ka kasi baka pinakataan.
Okay na? Okay. Hi Risa, kamusta?
Okay lang.
So, how do you feel na nandito ka ngayong canonization ni St. Mary Eugenie na naging, well, a tool for you to recover?
Okay naman. I feel happy that she's becoming a saint naman. I'm very happy that she became a saint in June so that after I can study well, after I pray for her. And also after that, I can pray for other people.
So how are you now? You go to school?
After the canonization. After
You're gonna be grade Grade 5.
grade 5.
Muna ka tumukat ka rito kasi nakaganon sila yan.
And
You're excited to go to the canonization tomorrow?
yes, very exciting even though if it's hot and cool at the same time. And it's hard to be all the time with other people without my mom and other people take pictures, you know.
Yeah, because everybody wants to have a picture with you. You're very popular now.
Yeah.
So how's your studies?
Okay, it's okay naman. I had high grades when I was in grade 4.
So how do you feel now?
Happy, excited.
Okay, so we're going back to Manila.
On the 17th.
So you're planning to go around after the canonization?
No, I'm going to Bangkok after the canonization
Why?
because it's for the vacation, for rest, because every day we have to wake up at 6 in the morning.
So how did you know about the miracle? Who told you about that?
My mom,
How did she tell you?
she told me that I was adopted. She also told me about what happened when I was a child, when I couldn't see, walk, or talk. She also told everybody, and she tells stories to everybody that I was adopted.
So
Okay, she's very happy now and she's always willing to share, diba?
Yes.
Okay, we gotta go.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sa camera. Okay na?
Okay, darling, I'll see you.
Alo.
Galing.
Sir.
Galing. Lalabas sa...
Dad, tama kami ha.
Quelqu'un leur a fait découvrir que Dieu marchait au milieu des deux disciples est aussi à chacun et à chacune superficielle, sans au-delà des difficultés familiales, et nous rappelle que nous devons faire qui est dans une préparation à la réception de l'Eucharistie, dans un rêve de Saint Thomas, mon Seigneur et mon Jésus, voyons que cette éloquence, Maître, où demeure avec le Maître? Demeurer ses disciples, tel fut aussi le désir de demeurer profondément unis au Christ. C'est le compagnonnage, c'est la vie en intimité. Ce sont qui nous font véritablement à la pleine lumière. travailler intérieurement. N'éloigne pas les hommes, bien au contraire. Son regard, the attitude of the two disciples in France, from the time of her first communion, she was looking for the Lord. La Eucaristía y de la penitencia a aquel que no nos aleja de los demás. Por el contrario, nos hace más. Encontraréis el verdadero amigo que os dará confianza en vosotros mismos y que os ayudará a cerrar la verdad, donde reconoceréis feo de las tristezas, natural, because it's perfect. Il Signore envoie ton Esprit Saint afin qu'il sanctifie nos offrandes. La veille de sa passion, la nuit de la dernière fête, il prit le pain, il rendit grâce, il le rompit et le donna au livré. De même, à la fin du repas, il prit la coupe. De nouveau, il rendit grâce et la donna à ses disciples en disant : « Prenez et buvez-en tous, car ceci est la coupe de mon sang, le sang de l'alliance nouvelle et éternelle, qui sera versé pour vous et pour la multitude en rémission des péchés. Vous ferez cela en mémoire de moi. »
À toute détresse, inspire-nous la parole, le geste qui conviennent, et de liberté, de justice et de paix, pour que l'humanité tout entière renaisse à l'espérance.
up.